Okay, everyone, today we're going to look at doing question A, page 87. So it's problem solving. There's lots of steps in these problems. So just take your time, draw it out, as I'm going to show you how to do 1A now. So we're going to help Vinny answer the questions. Each box weighs 0.1 kilogram when it is empty. So Vinny has ordered 4 boxes of carrots. What is the total weight of the 4 boxes? 1 carrot is 0.156 kilograms. There's 12 carrots in a bag, 24 bags in a box, and 1 bag costs 89 cents. So I'm going to read that question again. Vinny has ordered 4 boxes of carrots. What is the total weight of the 4 boxes? So that's what they're asking me. The total weight of 4 boxes. Okay, that's what I need to find out. 1 carrot is 0.156 kilograms. There's 12 carrots in a bag, 24 bags in a box, and 1 bag is 89 cents. Okay, I'm going to read that again. So I need to know the total weight of 4 boxes. 1 carrot, so I'm going to start drawing out now. 1 carrot is 0.156 kilograms. Okay, there are 12 carrots in 1 bag. There are 24 bags. I'm going to draw a little bag here. There's 24 bags in 1 box. There's 24 bags in 1 box. And 1 bag is 89 cents. So the price of 1 bag is 0.89 euro, which is 89 cents. I'm not asked anything about the prices, so that's irrelevant information for this question. So I don't need that. What my question is the total weight of 4 boxes. So I'm going to rub out this. Well, I can leave it there, but that's not information. That's extra information for this part of the question. First of all, I need to figure out how much 1 bag weighs, because I need to find the weight. Then how much 1 box weighs, and then I can find out what 4 boxes weigh. There was one piece of information there at the beginning of the question that is going to be important. So each box weighs 0.01 kilograms when empty. So that's information. So the box, the empty box with no carrots in it, weighs 0.01 kg. How will I find out about 4 boxes? 4 empty boxes, what will they weigh? 0.01 multiplied by 4. So that would be 0.04. Okay? And that's important information. I need to know that at the end. So that's 4 boxes weigh that. Okay? kg. Okay, so now that's my rough work done. Let's start working it out. 1 carrot is 0.156 kilograms. 12 carrots in 1 bag is what? Well, that's what I need to figure out first. So my first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to go 1 carrot times 12 to find the weight of my bag. So 0.156 times 12. Now I know if I'm multiplying by decimal, I forget about the decimal point until the end. So 2 sixes are 12, 2 fives are 10, plus 1 is 11. 2 ones are 2, plus 1 is 3. 2 zeros are 0. And I'm multiplying, it's a long multiplication, multiplying by my tens. So I'll say, put down my 0. 1 6 is 6. 1 5 is 5. 1 1 is 1. 1 0 is 0. And then I need to add these 2 together. Adding the 2 together. 2 plus 0 is 2. 1 plus 6 is 7. 3 plus 5 is 8. And 0 plus 1 is 1. 0 plus 0 is 0. Now I go back up here. There's 3 decimal places in my question. Therefore, there's be 3 decimal places in my answer. 1, 2, 3. So the weight of 1 bag is 1.872 kilograms. that is 1 bag. I'm going to put it in a bag here. Drawing out my bag, 1 bag is that. Okay, so that's with all the carrots in it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. That's a full bag. Okay, the next thing, so I need to know that there's 24 bags in 1 box. What am I looking for? I want to know what's the weight of 4 boxes. So first let's find the weight of 1 box. So there's 24 of these in 1 box. So I need to multiply 1.872 by 24. Let's do it over here. 1.872, that's 1 box, 1 bag, but there's 24 bags in a box. So that's how I'm going to work this one out. So let's go again. 4 times 2 is 8. 4 times 7 is 28. Put down my 8 and carry my 2. 4 times 8 is 32, plus 2 is 34. 4 times 1 is 4, plus 3 is 7. Then I'll put down my 0. I'll do a different colour here. 2 times 2 is 4. 2 times 7 is 14. Down my 4 and carry my 1. 2 times 8 is 16, plus 1 is 17. I put down my 7 and carry my 1. 2 times 2 is 2, plus 1 is 3. Then I need to add these two together. Now you'll have more space in your book, in your copies, so you don't squish it all in like me. So let's add the two together. 8 plus 0 is 8. 8 plus 4 is 12. Put down my 2 and carry my 1. 4 and 4 is 8, plus 1 is 9. 7 and 7 is 14. Put down my 4 and carry my 1. And 3 plus 1 is 4. Now, am I finished? No, I have 3 decimal places in my question. Therefore, I'm going to have 3 decimal places in my answer. 1, 2, 3. So this is the weight of 1 box. So here's my box with all my bags of carrots in it, my 24 bags, okay? And I'm going to just keep going at 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, okay? That's with my 24 bags in it. So that's the weight of 1 box. But my question is, what's the weight of 1 box? My question is, what's the weight of 4 boxes? So we have another step to do. So we have to multiply 1 box times 4, 44.928 kilograms times 4. Okay, so this is the next step in my problem. Again, I'm going to use different colors. So 4 times 8 is 32. Put down my 2 and carry my 3. 4 times 2 is 8, plus 3 is 11. Put down my 1, carry my 1. 4 times 9 is 36, plus 1 is 38. 4 fours are 16, plus 3 is 19. 4 fours are 16, plus 1 is 17. I'm not doing long multiplication, so am I done? Remember my decimal point. How many places? We have 1, 2, 3 decimal places in my question. Therefore, we'll have 1, 2, 3 decimal places in my answer. So the weight of 4 boxes of carrots was 179 kilograms, 882. And I'm going to write down my kilograms there. So that's the weight of 4 boxes. Is that my question? Is that my finished? Let's have a look. So that's the weight of 4 by 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's read over my question now. Help Vinny to answer the question. Each box weighs 0.01 kilograms when it is empty. Have I put in that weight of the empty boxes? No, I haven't. So the boxes weigh something before we even start. So now I need to add the weight of the boxes onto the weight of the boxes full. So the weight of the box is, 1 box is 0.01 kilogram. So 4 boxes would be 0.04 kilograms. So I'm going to add that in here. Again, when I'm adding decimals, I'm keeping my decimal points in a row, okay? So I'll add those two together. This is the weight of the boxes, empty. So 0 and 2 is 2, 1 and 4 is 5, 8 and 0 is 8. Put down my decimal point because I'm adding now. 9 plus 0 is 9, 7 plus 0 is 7, 1 plus 0 is 1. So that is, here we have our answer after all that. The weight of 4 boxes is 179.852 kilograms. 179.852 kilograms. Total weight of 4 boxes. There we have our answer. Okay? So there was a lot of steps in these questions. I find if you draw them out and take your time, so this question had one part, 2 parts, 3 parts, 4 parts, 5 parts to this question. So whichever way you need to draw it out, taking your time, you can do so, okay? There's also other questions on the other pages linked in your maths there, so on your Seesaw. So try your best to work them out. Maybe you mightn't do all the questions in question 1 today, and maybe you'd like to challenge yourself to do them all. But whatever you do, I prefer you to do 1 really well and take your time than to do lots of them rushed and maybe get all muddled, okay? So please let me know how you're getting on, and great work in your maths so far. Any questions, please ask. I hope this question helps you. Thank you.